Hey everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be doing a dramatic makeup look with a bold eye and a bold lip. It goes against everything that you can only choose one. And I'm going to be doing a blue liner and an orange lip. Everything is going to be drugstore products and really affordable. So if you want to know how I get this look, then just keep watching. First thing I'm going to do for my face is I want it to look really natural, and my skin is doing really good right now, so I want to have it look like my skin. So for primer, I will be using by e.l.f. the Tone Adjusting and the Poreless Face Primer. I'm going to mix them both. For my foundation portion, I'm going to be actually mixing the Infallible foundation with the BB cream by Garnier. And this is just going to be the combination so I can get a little bit of coverage, but it still looks natural. With my beauty sponge, I'm actually going to go ahead and tap on the areas that may have streaks on them. And this way it can blend in with the skin more and absorb in the skin. Now that my foundation is on, the next thing I will be doing is putting on my eyebrows, but I actually have a video that I made on that not too long ago, so if you want to see exactly how I do my eyebrows, click on the link above. For primer, I already just put 2 dots of the Instant Age Rewind by Maybelline, and I'm just going to smear this out. And with a BS small angled brush, I'm going to be using the Kiko eyeshadow that looks like that. Just like a base color, a regular base color, but it has a little shimmer. My crease section, I'm going to be using a bronzer, and this is by Physicians Formula, the Butter Bronzer, and then I'm just using a blending brush for my crease. The next product I'm going to be using is by Almay, and it looks like that. It's just a 4 different kind of eyeshadows. You can even use this as like a highlighter, but I'm just going to be using this in the center of my eyes, and it's just so shimmery and bright, and I'm going to be using this color on the top right here. And also I'll put that under my brow bone, but later. And I'm getting a clean brush to just blend that out so they can blend with each other, the bronzer and the Almay eyeshadow. With a clean brush again, I'm just going to make sure that's all blended together. It's going to be the fun part for the eyes. We're going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour eyeliner, and this is going to be in the shade Cobalt Blue, and it's so pretty. I really don't know if you guys can see how blue that is, but it's so nice. And we're going to be using a flat brush as well to put this on our top eyelid. I'm going to make this kind of a medium size liner, and I'm not going to make it into a wing. It's already going to be so bold enough that I just think it's fine without a cat wing. You could do it, it's optional. I tried it, but I'm gonna keep it simple. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with the Cobalt Blue liner, and I'm going back in with the flat brush, and I'm putting this on my lash line. For my mascara part, I'm actually going to just curl my lashes and then use by Maybelline the Colossal Volume Express Mascara, my favorite all time, and I'm just gonna put them on the top and bottom of my lashes. I'm going to put a lot because I really want this to be like just drama and dramatic. So I'm just gonna do that and you guys can watch. I'm going to be using the concealer by Maybelline, and this is an Instant Age Rewind. I'm going to use a foundation brush to blend this in. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. HD powder, and I'm just going to put this under my eyes, and I'm just going to use a brush like that. I'm not going to put the sponge. Taking it down my nose, on my forehead, patting this on my chin. For powder, I'm going to be using the Revlon Color-stay. For my bronzer, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild cream stick. I'll be using an e.l.f. brush to blend this out. For my bronzer, I'm going to be using the Butter Bronzer, and I'm just going to go over everything we just did. For my blush, I'm going to be using this color called Innocent Flush by L'Oreal, and it's one of their True Match blushes. I'm going back in with Almay, the eyeshadow palette that we used earlier, but I'm actually going to use this as a highlighter. I'm just going to put it all over the place on here. Next thing I'm going to be using is by L'Oreal, and this is their I Achieve lipstick, one of the matte ones. And I'm going to be putting this all on my lips. She is orange. Last thing I'm going to be using is a lip gloss, and this one's by Revlon, and it's just, again, like an orangey peach color. Putting that mainly in the center. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. This is it. I absolutely love how this came out. It's very bold, but it's just enough, and I cannot wait to wear this out this summer, and I hope you guys give it a try, and if you do, please tag me on Instagram with your picture that you did this. It's all affordable, and I wanted to make it that way, so give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to like and subscribe and put the notification bell on, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!